What's up? Oh, what you doing, man?
Man, I'm trying to put this track up real quick.
What's the name of the track, bro?
Got down mixing, trying to mix and master. You know, I'm not professional, but I try. The track is called I Gotta Do It. By my boys, CMC boys, Dizzle, CEO, Collins, sorry. CEO Status is in the building too.
You see the phone in the... Put your hands up so they know who you are, bro.
That's
Put your hands up. Fuck it. He on his phone.
For the kids. You know what I mean? But this is the shit I'm doing right now. As you can see, I'm putting all my friends on this motherfucker right here. You know? Trying to do it big, you know?
Trying to go to the next level.
We ain't trying to disappoint, you know? You know? We ain't trying to disappoint the fans and everything. We just need... What do we need? We need the support, you know? We need y'all support, you know? We're trying to do it big over here. If you want to join the movement, let us know. We'll get you on this too, you know what I mean? You know? And that's it, man.
Over and out.